The plaintiffs in an ongoing lawsuit against the Hoover City Schools Board of Education and two former football coaches have asked the judge now over the case to recuse himself. The lawsuit stems from video footage of former coaches Drew Gilmer and Adam Helms allegedly assaulting players last summer. Both men resigned from their positions shortly after it surfaced online. The plaintiffs say the judge, Reginald Jeter, has a son on the football team, creating potential bias. They add Jeter's wife previously worked for the school system before leaving for her current role at the State Department of Education. No word on when this matter will be brought up in court.